Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Smartsheet for project templates and dashboards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Smartsheet and press enter. On the search results page, click on the official Smartsheet website link. Once on the Smartsheet homepage, look for the Templates section. Click on the Templates option in the navigation menu. You will be redirected to a page showcasing various project templates. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your project needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. On the template detail page, look for a button that says Use Template or Download. Click on the Use Template button. If prompted, sign in to your Smartsheet account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account, then return to the template page. After signing in, the template will open in a new Smartsheet document. You can now customize this template to fit your project's specifications. To create a dashboard, return to the Smartsheet homepage. In the navigation menu, click on Dashboards or Solutions. Browse through the available dashboard templates. Select a dashboard that matches the needs of your project. Click on the Use Template or Create button for that dashboard. Again, ensure you are signed in to your Smartsheet account. Similar to templates, customize the dashboard to represent your project's data visually. Make sure to save your changes as you work. Once satisfied, you have successfully downloaded and customized project templates and dashboards on Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.